Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Aspiration Zero credit card, you guys. Now, this credit card, you guys, you can get approved for this credit card at different credit scores. So if you guys have different credit scores, you can possibly get approved, but with different amounts also. Don't forget, a lot of times your credit score is going to be dictating how much you're going to get approved for, and what's on your credit report is going to dictate how much you get approved for. But as you can see here, you can possibly get approved for a $16,000 limit because that's something that someone else got approved for, and you can possibly get that also. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys, it's supposed to be one of those zero carbon footprint credit cards, like the environment. They say every time you do a transaction on your credit card, they're going to actually plant a tree. Now, I watched a lot of things about how we need to be, thinking about Earth, thinking about the planet. So this is one of those credit cards that's kind of for those people that like to think about things like that. And if you don't care about the planet so much, you can still get the credit card. It's a higher limit credit card. Now, you guys will get $300 when you guys spend $3,000 within the first 3 months. So think about that as 1% cash back. So you're gonna earn up to that 1% cash back, but you gotta make sure it's that $3,000 and you're gonna get the $300. So yeah, you guys, that's one feature that I really like about this credit card. But I want to kind of get right on into it and click get started. That's if you want to actually sign up for the credit card, because you guys will see everything there. I want to make this video. I know they have like different perks. Think about like we're going to plant a tree every time you make a purchase, things like that. That's one thing I want to get into, just for people that want to get a high limit credit card. What does that mean? What does that look like? So let's go ahead and get started with the application. So let's click on get started. The first thing that they're going to ask you for is your email address. So you can put whatever your email address is here. So let's go ahead and put that in here. Click. So my email address is there. Let's create a password. Get started. Okay, so this is the credit card here. So when it comes down to the credit card, you have to pay $60 per year. So you're going to get billed annually for it. Every time that you guys purchase something on your credit card, they're going to plant a tree. So that's something that's really good. And then two, you guys can get rewarded with cash back up to 1% on your purchases. So that is good. That is really good. Now let's go ahead and click on get this card and go through this application. So I don't know how far we're going to go into the application. I'm not going to do the full application, but I'm going to do as much as I can do just so you can see what's going on and how everything is. So let's go and try to do as much as we can do. Make sure you guys put your information in, your first and last name. Click continue. When were you born? What's your mobile phone number? Let me go ahead and put my number in. What's my address? So remember, this is where you're going to put all of your information in. You're going to probably see it blocked out with me, but that's just because I want to make sure, some information. I have to put something that sounds familiar. Okay, perfect. Click continue. Social security number. So what's our annual income? Let's put 200,000. Tell us about your residence. Let's go ahead and we own. Our monthly payment is 12. Let's put something down. How many years have we been there? 4 years, 8 months. What's your mother's maiden name? You could put anything you want to put here. Whatever your mother's maiden name is. I'm telling myself that. Let me put anything there. because I want to make sure that we get to where we need to get to. So, and this is where we need to be. So now that I put all the information in, and some people will be like, "Oh my gosh, Rickita, you showing your personal information." I don't know if I was lazy enough. I don't know if I was lazy and I blocked it out or not, but that's not my information. If it's blocked out, then I was just putting information to get to this point. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys are going to have the APR at 11.65% to 21.45%. So they'll let you know exactly what that's going to be. Let's see if there's any charges. So let's see. There's no minimum interest charge. So that's good. That's really good. You guys have that annual fee of $60. We kind of already went over that when we looked at that credit card. If you guys want to do a balance transfer, it's going to be either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. So you guys are going to either pay $5 or 3%. And when it comes down to the cash advance, you guys are going to pay 10% or 5%, whichever one is greater. So whichever one will be more for them, that's what they're going to charge you. And then foreign fees, if you guys were to do any foreign transaction fees, it'd be 2%. If you guys have a late payment, you're going to be charged up to $10. That's not bad. Some companies charge way more than that. And over the credit line, if you guys ever go over your credit line for whatever reason, you're not going to be charged for that at all. But if you guys were to have a return payment, you guys can be charged up to $35. So if you guys want to get a expedited card, it's $35. So if you want a regular card, they're not going to charge you. But if you want them to rush your card, which is really good, they can rush it to you for $35. But this is more information that you guys definitely need to read over to see, know everything about this credit card. And then too, they have their privacy policy here, and then they also have their agreement here. So make sure you guys read all that, click agree and apply after you check those off, after they're all read. And they're going to let you know exactly how much you're pre-approved for, just like this. Now, when you get your pre-approved, when I tell you how much you're approved for, some people said that they did get a hard inquiry as soon as they clicked apply for it, and it was going to be with the Experian. So make sure you guys, Experian credit report is really good. Make sure you guys are not don't have negative accounts in your Experian credit report, and then you should be fine. If you guys have minor accounts in your credit reports and your credit score is high, I will still apply for it and just see what they can possibly pre-qualify you for and pre-approve you for it. Now, if you guys want me to make you a video on any credit card, definitely let me know, because I'm here to make you a video. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below, and I'll be sure to answer any questions that you guys have. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.